Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start right now. Make sure the phone has 50% or more battery and that you backed up any irreplaceable files. Once done, remove the micro SD card and write down your Google account email and password. Factory reset will erase accounts. Power the Infinix Zero 5G completely off by holding power and choosing power off. These steps prevent interruptions and ensure you can sign back in after the reset. Don't skip them. Once the device is off, press and hold volume up plus power until the Infinix logo appears, then release to enter recovery mode. Use the volume buttons to move through the menu and the power button to confirm. This works because recovery uses simple key input rather than touch. Highlight wipe data/factory reset and confirm. This erases user data and returns system settings to stock. Wait for the process to finish. It may take several minutes while caches and partitions are cleared. After wiping, select Reboot System now and allow the phone to start. First boot can take longer, so be patient. Make sure you sign in with the same Google account used previously to pass activation lock and restore backups. If the phone gets stuck in a boot loop or fails to start, try the recovery wipe again. If that fails, flashing the official stock firmware with a flashing tool will restore the system. If you choose flashing, make sure to download the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.